Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the ncdu command. It's a command that you can use to see how much disk space your directories and files are using. It will list them in largest first order. And to start it, you would just type ncdu. I'm adding -e, and we'll explain that in a moment. And what you get is a display like this. You can use your down arrow key and your up arrow key to move around. And if you go to a directory and hit enter, you'll see the contents of that directory and hit the left arrow key to get back to where you were. And if you added a -e, then you can use an M argument. I'm just going to press M like this and add the dates and times associated with all of the files. Well, that is your Linux tip for the ncdu command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.